You have high potential staff, but they can't seem to make it on time for a meeting. They oftentimes perform very well under pressure, but can't seem to turn in receipts on time to accounting. Hi, I'm Kristina. I'm an executive and ADHD coach that has also led teams, hired, and I also have ADHD myself. Join me for this workshop that's all about how to support neurodivergent staff. We are not going to be diagnosing, we're going to be identifying traits and learning how to support. Many times our leadership style can be great and it can be an asset, especially when you know how you lead. The challenge comes is that when we have staff whose brains work differently, it doesn't mean either are wrong. It means you need to learn and you would benefit from learning how to work with it instead of against it. So join me in this workshop, Managing and Leading Neurodivergent Staff, so you can learn strategies to support your team and your own leadership style.